watching Travel World Online.
Ministry of Tourism's mega tourism promotion event kickstarted in Srinagar. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur virtually launched Chalo Chamba Campaign 2021. Safe Tourism Program in Turkey became safer with the vaccination program for tourism employees. In Kashmir, you are not just a visitor but an honored guest, Secretary Tourism. The Ministry of Tourism in association with Jammu and Kashmir Tourism, FICCI and ICTA has organized a mega tourism promotion event in Srinagar, tapping the potential of Kashmir. Another Day in Paradise was inaugurated yesterday at SKICC, Srinagar. While addressing the August gathering, Union Minister of State for Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel said
कि जनवरी 2020 और जनवरी 2021 के बीच में जो फर्क देश और दुनिया ने जम्मू कश्मीर में देखा, जहां पर पर्यटकों की संख्या 5 गुनी से ज्यादा हुई है, उस वातावरण को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित है, स्वर्ग में एक दिन और। जिस प्रकार से श्रीनगर में पर्यटकों का आना जाना प्रारंभ हुआ है, वो पुराने स्थान जो पुरातात्विक हैं, वो स्थान जो ऐतिहासिक हैं, वो स्थान जो प्राकृतिक हैं, और उन्हें और नए सिरे से सजाने और संवारने की जरूरत है।
और देश के सम्माननीय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के प्रति हृदय से कृतज्ञता ज्ञापित करता हूं, जिन्होंने जम्मू कश्मीर के बजट में इस वर्ष टूरिज्म के विकास के लिए 786 करोड़ रुपए दिए हैं, जो पिछले साल के बजट से 509 करोड़ रुपए ज्यादा है। भारत सरकार के पर्यटन मंत्री श्रीमान प्रहलाद पटेल जी का मैं हृदय से आभारी हूं, जिन्होंने लगातार रुचि लेकर के जम्मू कश्मीर में पर्यटन के प्रमोशन के लिए और प्रोत्साहन के लिए हमें हर प्रकार का सहयोग दिया है। जम्मू कश्मीर में टूरिज्म की अपार क्षमता है, संभावनाएं भी हैं। उनका दोहन कुछ हद तक हुआ भी है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सही तरीके से अभी इसमें काफी कुछ करने की गुंजाइश है। इसके लिए टूरिज्म सेक्टर के ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए हम 5 पिलर्स को महत्वपूर्ण मानते हैं।
While referring to 5 pillars for economic transformation for J&K consist of sustainable development, strong hospitality system, trained human resource, skill development, and infrastructure to experience culture and heritage in handicrafts and cuisines. Shri Arvind Singh, Secretary Ministry of Tourism Government of India, Mr. Basir Khan, Honorable Advisor to the Lieutenant Governor Government of Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Jyotsna Suri, Past President FICCI, Chairperson FICCI Travel Tourism and Hospitality Committee, and Mr. Dilip Chenoy, Secretary General FICCI, also addressed the gathering.
So the effort of ours, this effort is that this revival which has happened in the winter season should continue in the summer season and should be a sustained recovery process, especially for domestic tourists now, and later this excellent revival shown by the domestic tourists should set an example as and when we open up the international visas for people to travel to India. Tourism is one of the largest contributors to the economy of the Kashmir region as well as to Jammu, and as most of the economic activities in the state are based on tourism and allied services. And every means of travel, airlines, trains, and highways have reported a regular increase in visitors' traffic in the domestic tourism sector. And Jammu and Kashmir has been one of the prime movers of this recovery phase in the country.
And what is required to be done. And we are the best planners. We have the private players in our team right now. We have the representation from the ministry itself. We have the best minds who have dealt with tourism over the years, and they have bundle and loads of experience behind them to actually conceptualize ways and means to tackle and manage the tourism in J&K, and also further explore the possibility of ushering into new directions and identifying new destinations that could be included in order to welcome our tourists and showcase our new products.
You are watching Travel World Online.